The ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Max station boasts an impressive capacity of up to 14.9 liters, making it one of the largest wash and cure machines available for consumer-grade resin 3D printers. This machine offers dual cleaning modes, including a powerful spray rinsing and an immersion cleaning process that ensures thorough removal of resin from intricate details. Remarkably, it uses only 4 liters of isopropyl alcohol to clean large models, saving over 50% compared to traditional machines that require 8.5 liters. The 360-degree dimensional curing feature provides comprehensive and efficient curing with a rotating platform and higher curing energy values. Its user-friendly design includes a convenient all-in-one flip cover and a smooth control panel interface for seamless operation. With a one-click washing and curing function, the ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure Max streamlines model processing, significantly saving time and effort for users.